Hello guys, welcome back to my second video on EVNG labbing. Today I will show you how to upload the iOS or images to the EVNG platform. Okay guys, so this is my first video regarding how to upload the images or iOS to the EVNG platform. So before of that I would like to explain some a few points like what type of software or images or iOS are supported by the EVNG virtual emulator or virtual environment emulator. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the EVNG ev-ng.net website, and under the documentation page you will find this supported image option. So just click on the supported image. As you can see, the dynamics, the guys who are already aware of the GNS3 platforms. So as you know, you can may you notice that dynamics name actually. So as you can see, the dynamics that which is supported by EVNG are below, like 7200, 3725, 7010, and other image naming from the above. And the guys who's already know about the IOL options, like IOL. So IOL are the Linux based the IOUs. As you can see, the following IOUs including the version name, the series name, with the details like date, release date, and air, along with the air option, like 2014 the release air is 2014-08, the batch and the month and all. So these below IOL images, IOU softwares are IOU images are supported by EVNG. And regarding the QEMU option, so QEMU regarding QEMU, you will see all this a long list of the vendors which is supported by EVNG. So as you can see, like Cisco, you will see Juniper, as you can see Aruba, Arista, Barracuda, Checkpoint, Delsonic. As you can see, a lot of vendors which is listed here to support the chemo images. You can upload it to EVNG to emulate it and to test it and create your own lab and play around with it. So the after this the supported images, I want to show you something. Mostly people they do mistakes, especially in the chemo image naming. So if you go to the chemo image, as you can see the supported HDD formats, I will show you to upload the chemo uh, file. Like you need some kind of a desired directory to upload the chemo files. So it is opt unit lab add-ons and chemo. You have to go to this directory and you have to upload the chemo images. Okay, regarding the naming version you will find the details as below. Like for example, in our case, we are going to upload the ASAV. So as you can see, the vendor is ASAV and the chemo image is .qcow, the format, and the image name should be like this, and the extension should be .qcow. Like in my case, if I show you, like for example, I will just show it to you. Like in my case, as you can see, like I have some ASAV images. If you go to this 204, as you can see, the name is, I will just click on the properties and I will more explain you. As you can see, the type of the file is QCOW, as you can see here. So it's mean the format is correct, but what about the file name? So the file name is, you can see this one, VIRGIOA. So this should be the file name. If you are using the ASAV, you want to upload the ASAV to the QEMU folder. So the file name should be VIRGIOA, and the extension must be .qcow. So as you can see, for other vendors, like you can see the CSR, Comolix, Firepower, Fortinet, everyone they have the different extension names. Like some of them they have a HDA option. As you can see, some of they have this SATA option for the NXOSV. So what you have to do for the naming, you have to come to the downloads documentation. Under the documentation, the chemo image name, and you will find the naming details. So make sure If is it small alphabets, you have to type in small. You have to be careful about the hyphens. uh, no need to do extra spacing and all, because it will not work once you upload it to the QEMU directory. So I will show you how to log in my case I'm using secure CRT. And as you know that the VM that for the EV that I have installed recently is having the IP address is 1.22. So I will take you to the SSH login. So as you can see, I will just create a new session, SSH v2 next, and the machine name is, in my case, is 172.16.1.222. It is locally significant, guys. It depends on your own lab environment. Maybe it's 192 or whatever you assign the IP address. Okay, so in my case is 1.22. Username is I will use root. So click next, finish, and as you can see the name is showing 122. I will say accept and save. Password I will say eve. Okay, and as you can see it's redirect me to the login page. So I will take you to the QEMU directory. First of all I will show you the directory architecture. uh, Options, I think the font is okay. Advance, sorry, I will try to bold. Maybe this will bold the font or not. No. Okay, so as you can see it is saying that for the QEMU images, if you want to upload the QEMU images, you have to go to this OPT unit lab add-ons and QEMU. So I will just go to cd slash, and if you click the tab button after forward slash, you will see this OPT directory. As you can see here, OPT. So I will just type OPT, and the next directory, if I put tab, if you don't know, or if you have some problem to type or something, you can just directly copy paste, or you can just type the first character and press the tab button. You will find this unit lab option. So I will just scan unit lab, and then it's showing add-ons. So if you see, there is a add-ons option, add-ons directory, add-ons. I will just click hit here. Okay, and I will show you some interesting things like ls minus l. So as you can see that I show you before supported images, if I take you back, as you can see here, the dynamics. So as you can see, I come to OPT unit lab add-ons, and under the add-ons I found that there is a dynamics. If you are going to upload the dynamics images, you have to upload it to dynamics. If is it IOL based images like this, the second one, you have to upload it to the IOL. And if you have some QEMU type of images, so you have to upload it to QEMU. Okay, so I will uh, take you to the QEMU, and if I type ls minus l, so as you can see there is no directory or nothing. So what we will do, we will upload some images to the QEMU folder. So for to upload the images, what you have to do, you have to use some utility. In my case I'm using WinSCP. It's a local, it's a TFTP utility. Okay guys, so what you have to do, you have to create a session, new session, and in my case I will use as hostname 172. I will just type my EV IP address. In my case is 122. Port is default. I will choose username as root and password as eve. Save 122. Okay, if you want to save it, and click on login. Yes. Okay guys, so if you click now you have the graphical view, okay, of the directory. So what you have to do, you have to go to OPT, under the OPT unit labs, and then add-ons, and you will find these all options. So we will first upload the QEMU images. So QEMU, and under the QEMU you have to upload the desired files or the QEMU files. In my case, I have some a few files of the Cisco ASAv, so I will upload all these folders to the QEMU. So you have to just select from the located directory, and you have to just drag and drop it to on the right side, and it will upload it to the uh, evng QEMU folder. So once the upload is finished, I will show you I will show you the result here. As you can see, it is uploaded. So let's verify it. How you have to verify it? You can just click ls -l. As you can see, now we have 5 files. So I already extracted. So for example, if the file is zip, so I will show you how to unzip the file in Linux. What you have to do, you have to, if you want in Linux, how to unzip. So what is the command? So you have to type unzip space folder name, okay, and hit enter. What it will done, this above command, the above command will unzip the zip folder, okay. There is one more format which is tar.gz. There is one more extension mostly in Linux, the which is tar.gz. Like for example, like in my case, like if I consider it like asav.tar.gz, if you find this tar.gz option, okay, at the end, like for in zip, if the folder is zip format, so you will see .zip as an extension. If some file is in .tar.gz, okay, so how to unzip this? So the command is, you have to type tar extract and verify. XVF mean extract and verify, and then folder name, okay, folder name with extension, for example .tar.gz, and you have to, what you have to do, you have to hit enter. It will, the above command will unzip the tar extension, okay. So these two commands you have to remember. First of all, this unzip and folder name, you have to just hit enter, it will unzip. And if some file is in tar.gz extension format, you have to use the tar extract and verify and folder name and hit enter. That's it, khalas, okay. So let me show you some sample. I will show you some sample here. Hold on guys. So let's avoid the confusion. Hello guys, as you can see that I have some example for you, that the one that I have explained to you, right, about the extension. So if I show you, like for example, you can see there is one file with the with .zip extension, okay. If I show you the properties, you will see that it is in .zip, okay. And one more option I will show you about the tar. So if I take you to the tar, as you can see here, for example, I will show you anything, like for example like cyber roam, either you can see this tar, anything, it's all our tar format. So as you can see, it is tar.gz, okay guys. So if if the file format is .tar, you have to use the below commands, and if is it in zip format, you have to use this command unzip and folder name, and that's it, okay guys. Let's verify that the uploaded images are working or not. There is one more command uh, you have to apply to fix the permission level. So /opt unit lab, okay, wrappers, unl wrappers -a fix permissions. You have to apply this command opt unit lab wrappers unl wrappers space -a space fix permission, hit enter. Okay guys, so once you apply this command, it's properly accepted. So what I will do, I will just paste it to the notepad. Okay, I will just notepad. This is the command to fix permission level. Okay guys, this is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, I will put this in description also. Okay, this is the command of permission level. I will put this all notepad file into the description of the video. Okay guys, so now the permission is successfully applied. Okay, let's log into the EVNG machine. So in my case the IP address is 172.16.1.22. okay, as you can see it's redirected. So I will show you how to create a lab. So you have to click on add new lab. I will just make it as a test, ASAv, save. Okay guys, so now you can see node, and see the option, the one which is grayed out, it's mean you didn't uploaded the images. If you uploaded the images to the directory and still it is grayed out, it's mean there is something wrong with the name, or either with the extension, or maybe the file is unzipped, it's not unzipped. Okay, it's still in the something is wrong with the file naming or the folder naming and all, right? As I show you, like the naming should be properly. In my case, as you can see, ASAv941, as let's compare it here. If I show you the KMU image naming, okay, as you can see, like in my case ASAv, if I show you here, as you can see here, sorry, uh, yeah, as you can see ASAv, the word, the ASAv hyphen, you can see hyphen, and then the series, like you can say that the OS release or the file release model number or part number, whatever it is, you can just assume it. And if I take you to the page, you can see the extension, the QEMU image name is properly typed, and plus the extension .qcow, so it's mean it is properly mapped. Okay, so let's click on the ASAv. Once you choose this template, you will have all the ASAv images loaded here. You will find all the properly mapped folders here. So in my case, I will use ASAv 952204. How many nodes you want to add? For example, in my case, I want to add 2 nodes. You want to change the icon if you want to play with CPU or something. I'm not going to touch anything. I will just use all default, and that's it. I will just click on save. Okay, as you can see, I have 2 images. So I will just click on right click uh, on the ASAv, and you can see click on start, and I will just double click, and as you can see here, it's loading. Actually, I just explain everything in detail to avoid any problems, so it will be a very good reference. So just make sure the folder name is correct, the file name is correct, the extension is correct, and the folder that you uploaded to the QEMU directory, it is actually is unzipped. So then everything will be work smoothly and you will not face any problem, I'm sure. As you can see, it's booting. It will just take a little bit of while, and then everything will be fine. Okay guys, the VM is on and it's okay. So I will just click on enable. By default there is no password, you just hit enter. If I show you show interface IP brief, as you can see all A7 interfaces, 8 interfaces, and if you want to assign some kind of IP address you can just assign it. I will just hit enter. Interface management 0 sorry 0/0 no shut IP address 192.168.1.1 no shut exit show interface IP brief. As you can see now we have an IP address assigned to the management interface, and if you want to verify something, show version. Under the version you will find the details of the ASAv platform. So this image, the one that I have downloaded from the Google, it's have like maximum physical interface is 10. I can apply the active standby failover configuration. Encryption is supported, 3 dash is supported, security contacts is 0. I cannot create contacts. Okay, and rest of the details that you can find here. So this is the basic verification. Show run, you can see you will find the running config details. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, please click on the bell icon so you will receive a new notification for the new videos, the one that I uploaded to my channel. Thank you for your support.